All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is May 6, 2024. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's take a look at some charts. Had a nice day today. All right, so here's SPY. Let's take a look at the big chart. Let's take a look at it on the daily. Well, let's look at it on the 10-minute. 10-minute, still in an uptrend. 2-hour, still in an uptrend. Okay, daily, still in an uptrend, closing over the bullish gap, bullish trap over the 17 EMA, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap right up into a gap from previously over here somewhere right here around 411. All right, so we're up there filling the gap right now. So there's SPY on the daily chart. Let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Still in an uptrend. Diamond Dow, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Still in an uptrend. IWM, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, still in an uptrend. FNGU, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA, still in an uptrend. All of the Fab 5 are still in uptrends. Let's take a look at energy. All right, here's USO. High for Friday was 75.92. High for today was 75.98. So we got a low for Friday, 75.02, and a low for today, 74.96. Outside day, higher high, lower low, closing under the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. UNG, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. This is the downtrend line, looking like a break of the downtrend. UNG in an uptrend along with the Fab 5. USO still in a downtrend. All right, so let's take a look at silver and gold. Silver is still in a downtrend, higher low, higher high. Where's that high come out at? Okay, this high is 25.22. This high is 25.13. Still in a downtrend. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish cross. That's the 3 crossing over the 8 and over the 17 EMA, but still in a downtrend. GLD, still in a downtrend. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bearish trap and over the 17 EMA. Got to take out this high in order to be in an uptrend. So there's GLD. All right, and SLV. Let's take a look at our technicals. Technicals put us up in, for today, we were up in the overbought zone. We got thrown out by the bears, and we just chopped along in the buy zone till the end of the day, T21.22. Nice work on the bears' part, holding those higher lows. Nice work for them. T21.23. Green from beginning to the end of the day. We had a gap up, and then we just consolidated most of the day. T21.23 3-bar. Trying to melt up over that rising 200 SMA. You can see price action now up over the 17 EMA right there. All right, so we got some green dots, second day of green dots. Got to get up over this 200 SMA though. That's going to be the critical move, getting up over that 200 SMA. All right, FNGU, green from the beginning of the day to the end of the day, just bullied all day long, hanging out over the 200 SMA. Nice work for FNGU on the 15-minute chart. Let's go back and look at a few other things. Let's take a look at SMH. All right, SMH making the higher high and the higher low now in an uptrend as of today. Higher low, higher high for the daily candle, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. SMH hit uptrend, spiking that downtrend line. Okay, let's take a look at IYT. Here's the transports. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish cross and over the 17 EMA. So there's IYT. All right, a little bullish action going on there. Still in a downtrend. XLK, let's take a look at XLK, being since we just looked at SMH, and they're now in an uptrend. XLK now in an uptrend. Here's our technology sector. All right, so price action for today, a higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap. That's the 3 on top of the white 8 EMA right there, over the 17 EMA. So we got bullish uptrend on XLK. Let's take a look at XLF. Here's our financials, still in a downtrend with a lower low here and lower low here and a lower high. Take out this high, we could be back in an uptrend. There's XLF. Not much to do there. 41.21. We're pennies away. That could be easily done tomorrow. So there's XLF. Did I do Diamond Dow? Diamond Dow, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap. All right, seems like I'm missing one here. I did the transports. I did the financials. I did the semiconductors. And we did the technology sector and the transport. So all done there. We did the precious metals. We did the energy. That would be USO, UNG. Things looking bullish right now. I don't know how long they can hang on to it. 2 hours in the SPY is in an uptrend. See if we can find a clean chart so you can see it clearly. I'll have to make one if I have to. Let me just fix this one up. Well, you can see it pretty clear. Nah, you can't. Let's clean one up here. All right, so here we are with SPY. Pick up a different one. So here's price action for SPY. You can see price action up over the bullish trap here. So we had kind of a W pattern play out. I can draw that in for you if you want to see that. So you can see, let's just get the good lines right there. Yeah, so you can see a line up, a W there, pull back. So we're looking for price action to extend, right up to here. So we're looking for price action extend. I got a gnat. Price action to extend all the way up to there on this W pattern. So we'll see what happens. There's SPY. Now let's trash all that out. Take a look at it on the 2 hour. Because it was hard to see on the other chart. And on the 2 hour, what do we got? You can see here's the yellow 3 on top of the white 8, on top of the 17. You got your bullish stack. Price 3, 8, rising 17. That's your bullish stack right there. And then you drill down, you look for your bullish stack on your 10-minute chart. And you get the same thing. Price 3, 8, 17 rising. All right, so you got a bullish stack on the 10 and on the 2. And that's what we played was green erases red game. All right, the green erases the red, you get in. Green erases the red, you get in. Every time the green erases the red, you can get in. And we got that 2 hour uptrend. So there it is. Now we're right in the middle of the gap. So we'll see if that gap's going to hold us in there. And maybe we fill it tomorrow morning. We'll see what happens. So there's SPY. All right, so Carol asked a question. What is MESM4? That's the micro E-mini for the S&P 500. When you say a bearish trap or a bullish trap, you're referring to the 3 over the 8 or under the 8. Yes. Yes, the 3 EMA is either over the 8 for the bullish trap and it's under the 8 for the bearish trap. Yeah, okay. Sometimes it's not even a trap, it's just a cross because they really haven't created the vacuum, the space between the 3 and the 8 yet. And what you'll see is the linear 3 EMA just kind of crossing over the white one in some instances, and that's what I call the cross. So it's either crossing or it's over a bull trap or a bear trap. Yeah, you're welcome. All right, traders, everybody make a little bit of money today. I mean, we had the instructions from the beginning. Pivot for SPY is right here's the pivot for tomorrow, 513.83. Above it, I'm a bull. Below it, I'm a bear. We have an open gap. Of course, we did fill part of it. We had an open gap, 515.82, all the way up to 517.97. We have an open gap right there. So we'll see if they're going to fill that tomorrow or fill it tonight. Let's see what happens. But that's the open gap, and you can see it got partially filled. So we'll have to adjust that and move it up a little bit. If I can find the... There we go. Right there. All right, so we got a partial gap right now. So we did a partial gap fill right down to there. So we'll see if they can fill that tonight or if we get to fill it tomorrow. That'd be great if we get to fill it tomorrow. Got a little uptrend going on. We'll see if they can hold that uptrend line too. Again, traders, this is price action. All right, let's go back to the daily and let's go to the scratch chart. And I'm just going to put in the anchored VWAP right up there. I'm going to make it red. Okay. So you can see here's Friday's price action. I said this is the first time we ever closed over the all-time high anchored VWAP. That's a bullish sign for money coming into the market. And what did we get today? More follow through. Again, another candle clearly is the rubber band candle. All right. For price over the anchored VWAP, the all-time high anchored VWAP. So this is an indication that money's coming into the market. Like to see us break this rubber band candle. Here's the spike candle. This is the rubber band candle. Okay, we need to get up over this, fill that gap, and then it's game on. I think we're going off to tackle the recent highs up here around 525, and then possibly make new higher highs. They're in a little micro uptrend here, so it may take some time. All right, but that's what we're looking at. You didn't understand the MESM4. It's the futures. It's a futures contract. Where is it? Right here. If you trade futures, this is the MESM4 right here, and this is the ESM4. Okay, so that's the E-mini S&P 500, and this is the micro E-mini S&P 500 MESM4. Okay, that's it. It's just futures. For those people that follow along and play futures, I just told them what I did for today. Okay, Don't feel like you're left out. You're playing the options. That's good. If you ever want to learn futures, look me up. Right now, we're just concentrate in here in this room on options and stocks. Yep. All right, so there's the S&P 500 right there. So nice work on the S&P. Let's go back to number 6 and 10-minute chart. So getting a little ricochet coming off of that. All right, traders, until tomorrow, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we'll do it again, make some more money. All right, today was a good day for me. All right, so we'll see what's in store for tomorrow. Yes, thank you, everybody. Thank you for being here. Appreciate y'all being here. Appreciate y'all giving me some of your time. So I look forward to seeing each and every one of you tomorrow at 8. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Thank you.